Here we go, fourth graders. Excuse me. Good morning. Here's your video for Friday, October 9th. So let's get started. Looks like I don't have Classroom open. That's really strange. Thought I did. So we're going to look at what I have for today. And just a reminder that you get a reward on Monday for doing your work. So morning meeting, respond to 2 answers on the question from yesterday, so go to classwork. Most of you have responded, so you go right there to how do you manage your impulsivity and respond to 2 people. Make sure that it's not just okay, cool, or good idea. Make it at least a 7-up sentence with some sort of depth on it too. You could even ask somebody a question if you have one. Writing, turn in your Google Doc you've used along with your story map under narrative writing 10/8. I actually changed it to 10/9. So let me change that here. Oh, what I did was I took yesterday's place to turn it in, and I did add it late, but what I want you to do is right here, turn in your narrative writing. Over here, click add your narrative writing and your story map you've been using, and then what I will do is I will grade you with that single point rubric. You'll either see it today or for sure Monday, but I need these so I can start giving you some feedback on where you're at. Reading, watch the video in form, so let's look at that. This is going to be a little different. I'm trying something new. So, click right here. You'll type in your name. You have this video to watch. That's not the new part, but what's new is I've put in basically some timestamps. So the answers are from here, from the beginning of the video to 26 seconds in. So let me show you what that looks like. What I want you to do is I actually want you to watch it from here to here, pause it, and type your answer. So we're going to skip our ad here.
Are important, but if you want to write essays that inspire, messages, identify cause and effect.
So I'm muting it so you can hear me. But what you'll notice is right here, when you go right there, it gives you the seconds there. So when I'm saying 00 to 26, and we start right here, well, that's at 1 second. But if I go to here, see how the numbers are changing? Now there's 26 seconds. So somewhere within here is the answer to this. So you would watch it at 26 seconds. So I'm going to let it play. We'll say I just start here. Letting it play. I'd be listening to it, obviously. And I remember that I have to stop at 26 seconds, so I've listened to it. I'm getting ready to pause it. I'm at 26 seconds. I pause it. I go type in my answer, blah, blah, blah. Now my next one starts at 26 seconds, goes to 32. So now I'm going to play it again. Let it go. So I've heard what it says, 32 seconds, pause it, type in my answer, blah, blah, blah. As you go through this, you're going to notice like right here it goes from 50 seconds to 158. That doesn't mean to just skip parts in between. Watch it, it just means I want you to focus on this part. The other thing too is, like right here, it'll tell you to pause and write your answer. The reason I do that is in the video, it will tell you the answer after. I don't want to see you just copy an answer from the video. I want you to write what you actually think. So you write your answer, then you watch it to check. It's like if I ask you a question in class and I want to check it before I tell you. So don't worry about getting it wrong. This isn't graded. This is just for me to see how your understanding is. So it does you no good to cheat and find the answer and then change it. I want to see what your original answer is. So please let me know if that doesn't make sense. Math, playlist 20 minutes. So like we talked about last week, you have to work on your playlist every day. And I've seen some of you doing that, which is awesome. But everybody needs to do that. And then 20 minutes of Greenbox. 20 minutes of playlist, 20 minutes of Greenbox. Social studies, science. I want to give you a little more clarity on this. So I thought things would be a little more clear from this, but I'm going to give you some extra help with it. So when you have questions like this, for one, I've heard some people saying it's hard to see. So there's a couple things you can do. You can zoom in. If I go right there, I click right here, I may go to 200. That makes it a lot easier. Or you can click here to present, and that makes it full screen. Now, you won't necessarily be able to write, but at least it makes it easier for you to see. Notice that on this assignment here, there's things to move around right here, so you just grab them. You need to put them where they belong. If this is where the stem goes, you put it right there. Or it goes wherever. So make sure that you're moving that around. And you'll notice right here, right here, it asks you to do some writing. So make sure that you are doing that. You can write there, or if some of you are having trouble, you can write it on a Google Doc. If you double click and hit enter, it'll let you write. And the same thing for social studies. Make sure that where it says to write, that you are doing that as well. Please let me know if you have any questions. I know this was a longer video. But, have a great day. Let me know if I can